Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this beautiful BMW 2 Series 2-litre 220d M Sport Auto xDrive. Now this vehicle has currently done 68,152 miles and it's finished in the colour mineral grey. It does come with 3 previous services which can be found on the iDrive system. It sits very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. And you do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. You do also have the optional extra power folding door mirrors, which you can fold in holding the lock button and automatically unfold when you unlock. Here in the boot you'll find 390 litres of space. You do have some storage compartments on either side as well. Taking a look inside here to the rear, you'll find your gorgeous Alcantara and cloth seats. There are ISOFIX points on both seats here at the rear, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Here at front you'll find your leather multifunction M Sport branded steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On the steering wheel here you have your cruise control and speed limiter. You also have some controls for the infotainment system to the right, and you will find paddle shifts behind the steering wheel. Here in the instrument cluster you will find your trip computer where you can access your average miles to the gallon and even a digital speedometer. At the top of the dashboard you'll find your infotainment screen. You have the controls for it here in the center console. You have the main dial as well as your shortcut buttons. The system has access to DAB and FM radio, or alternatively you can use the CD player as well as USB connectivity and Bluetooth audio. Here in the communication page you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system also has navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. Here in the connected drive feature you have access to the connected drive store as well as BMW assistance and messages. Here in my vehicle you'll find all of your vehicle settings as well as the system settings. You can even access the owner's handbook here. You also have access to your tyre pressure monitor, engine oil level and any vehicle service requirements as well as the vehicle service history. Pressing on the service you can see what was carried out. This 2 Series does come equipped with front and rear parking sensors to make parking easy. Underneath the display you'll find your automatic climate control. Here in the centre console you do have 2 cup holders and a 12-volt socket, your automatic gear selector here, and next to this you'll also find your driving experience controls with access to Comfort, Eco Pro, Sport as well as Sport Plus, which changes the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.